reporting from Pawhuska, Oklahoma. And some of you may know exactly where I'm at because behind me you see the mercantile. And that only means Pioneer Woman. So, this is an early birthday trip from Ed to me. And come on, we're gonna take you inside because it is gorgeous. I've already spent my money, but I'm gonna show you inside. Anyway, come on. I'm not gonna be able to do a lot of talking because of the background music, but we're gonna show you around and I'll point things out. Okay, here we go, come on. Amazing, and you can hear them beating upstairs because that's the bakery and they're making bread and everything because I went up there and that's what the pounding's all about. Anyway, just look around, it's gorgeous. Over here's the bakery. Come on, I want you to see them baking stuff. This is hard work. These girls are getting a workout. Now come on, we're gonna go to the other side so you can see the finished product.
Pioneer Woman, there's not much that I can get into, to be honest with you, but this bakery, yeah, I can spend some time here.
We're at the Pioneer Woman Ranch, and there is 100,000 acres just on their ranch. It's incredible. We'll show you pictures. Anyway, so we're gonna go in the lodge. This is where she does her filming and stuff. And Ed's gonna take my picture at her stove. Anyway, come on. It's incredible. There's other people here, so here we go. This is her pantry. You've got to come in the pantry. Look at this. Remember, she does her show here. So look at all of her spices. I didn't know there was so many. Do you see all this? Who knew, right? Look at the chocolates alone. Look at that. All of her mixers. refrigerator. Okay, now come over here. Isn't it pretty? Look at this. Look at the views she has for cooking. Okay, so over here is where all the cooking takes place. Isn't it pretty? All right, we're gonna go into the dining room area. Come over here and look at the old boots they have. I love this fireplace where you can see through it, and the fire feels really good after the weekend we've had. I love this tree. Look at some of the ornaments on there.
Okay.
All right, let's go down the hall to her prep, where she, well, I don't know if it's her prep or it's where she stores all her dishes and cooking stuff, so come on. They have 4 bedrooms here. Come on, this is the one she uses. This is where she gets ready to do her shows, her TV shows. So anyway, as you can see, she has a steamer and she looks like she does her makeup here. So yeah, not a bad place to work, right? Okay, so now there's 3 other bedrooms. So come on, take a look at those. Hey, look at this bathroom. Okay, this is the big kitchen, and from what I understand from the man up front, that this is where she does the cooking, like for the big cattle drives and stuff. But you gotta see in here. There is stuff in here I have never seen before, and oh, so cute. Come on. It's Ree's props. This whole room is her props. Come on, look. Look at all the pots and big skillets. Are you seeing this? Look at this. Okay, my favorite. Come look at this. Do you see that? Unbelievable. Look at these dishes. Aren't they beautiful? I love the green at the bottom. Hey, this is the guard dog. I'm feeling pretty safe right now. Hi, is this your job? Hey, is this your job? Okay, you're doing it really good.
Okay, we've spent about the past hour and a half here at the lodge at Pioneer Woman looking around. over my shoulder is just some views of their ranch, and it's just amazing. It's really beautiful. The weather has cooperated with us today,
Right,
so
yeah.
it's a lot warmer than it was the previous days. But we're really enjoying
Yeah.
looking around.
And Ed's going to show you off this way is where Reed Drummond and her family actually live.
So I think what we're going to do is, it's quite a ways back into town, so we're going to drive back in there and go to the Mercantile for lunch today. And so here we go.